everyone, in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys a little tour of my desk space. I have this little space in my home office, and if you follow me on Instagram you saw that I posted on there some pictures of it, and I got so many sweet comments and some questions, so I wanted to make a video to give you guys more information of where you guys can find some of this stuff. If you don't follow me on Instagram, what are you waiting for? I post on there daily. Also, shout out to my husband for helping me put all of this together, helping me connect the wires and whatnot. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Ariana and I am a school psychology graduate student in California, just sharing my journey, resources, things that I'm learning to hopefully help some of you guys out. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this video. Okay, so here is an overview. My desk is from Amazon. On the left side, I have some lamps. I can't remember where I got them from. It's been a while. The school psychologist definition poster my husband made for me. And then on my desk, I just have my laptop, a fake plant, my monitor, and a little crystal lamp. Right under, I keep my stapler and planner. Don't like to keep those on my desk when I'm not using them. In the first drawer, I have some things that I can easily access that I use often. And then right under, I keep my label maker, glue gun, some stickers for my planner. And then this drawer I'm still working on. The chair I use for my desk is from Amazon. I've had for a while, which I eventually want to switch out. And then my monitor stand is also from Amazon, as well as my mouse pad. Right above, I have a shelf that I got from Target. And then this brain poster was a gift, which I think you can find on Etsy. This bookshelf is also from Amazon. I have my Alexa, my textbooks, some pencil bags that I use that I can grab and go. And then the textbook holder is from Amazon. There are 2 pieces to it. And then those fake flowers are from Target. And yeah, that's about it. All right, guys, so there you have it. I'm so happy with the way that it turned out. I love everything about it, and it just makes me want to do my work. Puts me in work mode. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, but now let's talk about the giveaway, which I am so excited to be doing as a thank you for your support. It's nothing big, but still something special to me because my husband and I put together both of these little, I guess, prizes. One of them is a sticker pack that we made because my husband is a graphic designer, and it looks like this. And it's so cute, and I'm just excited to share that with you guys. And the other prize is a poster like the one back here, which is one of my favorite pieces of my little space. Thought it would be cute to give away for one of you guys, for your office space, for your workspace, anything like that. So the way to enter is, well, let me explain. There's 2 ways, because I will be doing one for everybody that follows me on YouTube and then another one for everybody that follows me on Instagram. For those on YouTube, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and just let me know down in the comments below why you are interested in school psychology. Simple as that. And then I will pick out a winner on Friday, and I will post that winner on my YouTube stories, and then we'll have to get in contact so I can get your information and send whatever your prize is to you. If you follow me on YouTube and on Instagram, then that means you just have twice the chance to win, and the rules for the Instagram giveaway will be on Instagram. I hope I didn't miss anything. I will write down the rules for the giveaway down in the description box as well. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know, I'm just happy, and I wanted to say thank you to all of you guys for all of your support. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.